Hey everyone, thanks for having me and listening. I'd like to apologise in advance for my approach to this presentation. I'm just a lowly undergrad, not a researcher. So I'm here to talk to you today about prosthetic sockets. So there are an estimated 40 million plus amputees worldwide, and many of them are prosthetic users. And a prosthetic basically consists of the socket, a pylon, and a foot. But the socket is the critical component as it is the interface between the residual limb and the rest of the prosthetic. So current sockets are made in a process utilizing plaster casting, industrial machines, and a hard thermoplastic with minimal flexibility and minimal adjustability in the end socket. Now, in contrast, an amputee's limb is soft and highly dynamic. A limb can undergo muscle atrophy, constant weight fluctuations, and massive volume fluctuations of up to 10% per day. So this leads to huge issues with socket fit. This leads to huge issues with socket fit, and an estimated 75% of all amputees suffer some form of skin complications, whilst others suffer more extreme discomfort. So there are some good solutions out there. However, no one so far has been able to scale their approach to global amputees, and that's due to the nature of the socket and the fact that most applications custom fabricate their parts. So me and my team, we investigated a approach using selective laser sintering 3D printing. So it's basically a powder, and you put a laser to it and you make a shape like that thing there. We found a lot of limitations with this approach, with the strength and the flexibility, but we believe if we shift our approach from creating a single socket, so a single piece socket like that, to a more modular design, we can actually overcome these limitations. So we envision a completely modular prosthetic socket, which is made of a set of modular components, and these interlock to form reconfigurable, readjustable prosthetic socket. Now, we're still working on this. It's pretty early days because we've only been working on this for a few months, but yeah, the reason we want to go for a modular prosthetic socket is it addresses those issues, that scale issue that a lot of other socket solutions out there haven't been able to address so far. So that's our approach, is the modular approach, and the adjustability system would be a system of ratchet systems or straps, similar to what you would have in a ski boot. So yeah, thanks.